Welcome everyone to another session on current affairs by Sales 360 IS Academy. In this session, we will be discussing about PAX SILICA. Okay, so PAX SILICA, literally the word has a Latin origin where PAX actually means peace. Okay, and silica actually refers to the silicon based technologies. Okay, so the purpose of this PAX SILICA agreement is actually a agreement between a group of nations which is led by the United States to ensure supply chain security. So whenever you study the PAX SILICA, the first thing you have to remember is that it tries to ensure supply chain security. Okay, security in critical technologies. Okay, critical advanced technologies like, for example, artificial intelligence, okay, semiconductors, advanced manufacturing. Okay, so all these technologies, there is a risk of supply chain. It is primarily due to China's dominance in rare earth. Okay, so China accounts for almost 90% of the total value of the rare earths being processed in the entire world. Okay, about 60-70% of the rare earths being mined is also from China. So due to that stranglehold over rare earth, various technologies like AI, semiconductors, right, advanced manufacturing, okay, chip manufacturing, all these kind of technologies require a regular supply of raw materials. Okay, regular supply of chips, memory chips, semiconductors. Okay, so with that requires what you can say, a lot of technologies. Okay, you need lithographic technologies, you need a lot of supply of rare earths and all those things. So to ensure supply chain security in these technologies, US has actually created this initiative, PAX SILICA initiative. Okay, so it was announced in 2025. Okay, so remember, it is led by the US. Okay, it is a flagship initiative of the US Department of State. Okay, so this much should be there. Now the second is the number of members. Including US, you have about 12 members. Okay, now recently India also joined, so including India as of now, as of February, we have 12 members. Okay, so keep in mind, there are like 12 members as of now, including India, including US as well as India. Okay, so whenever you're studying the members, the easy way to go about it is by continent by continent, right? So for North America, only US is there. Okay, there is no member from the South America and Central America or anybody, just from the Americas, only US is there. Now in Europe, UK is a member, Netherlands is a member. Netherlands is a member because it has a stranglehold over the lithographic technologies. Okay, ASMC, some companies are there. They have a patent over the lithography technologies which are used to create the chip design. Okay, they are used in chip design. So Netherlands and Greece. Okay, Greece. So remember the members from Europe. Now there is no country from Africa. Now moving on to Asia, start from the Arabian peninsula. You will have Qatar is there, UAE is there. Moving on to West Asia, Israel is there, right? Israel is there. Now if you move eastwards, India is also a member. Okay, India is also a member. Moving further eastwards, okay, Singapore is a member, right? And South Korea is a member. Singapore is a member because Singapore has a lot of dominance in semiconductor manufacturing. South Korea is actually dominant in chip production. Okay, so Singapore for semiconductors, South Korea for memory chip manufacturing. Then Japan. These are all technology giants, right? Many big tech companies are actually headquarters in UK. UK is actually a very big market for AI. So UK, US, Japan, they have all the capital and the headquarters of various giants, right? Then if you look at Oceania, Australia is also a member. Oceania, Australia. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so as of now we have about 12 members. Use that continent wise, then you can easily track the number of members. So remember who launched it, members as of now, the objective of the initiative, the meaning of the word PAX and Silica. It's a Latin origin word meaning PAX means peace. Silica means, okay, it refers to the silicon stack of technologies to ensure supply chain security in these technologies. That's the objective of the PAX Silica. And that's the third, final point is that it is a non-binding framework. Non-binding framework. Okay, so and the pointer is that mostly when India joins a particular initiative, India will take caution to ensure that that initiative is non-binding. Usually India does that. India rarely joins any particular framework that is legally binding. Okay, so that is just a general pointer to you guys. So that's all about the PAX Silica initiative. Thank you.